We're very fortunate. When I first started in the practice of adoption work, we did not have a federal adoption tax credit, nor did we have a state adoption tax credit. But over the years, both the federal government and the state government here in Arkansas have arranged for adoption tax credits. Today, the federal adoption tax credit is $13,170. The Arkansas adoption tax credit is, let me think, it's 20% of the federal credit, which is roughly about $2,600, maybe a little bit more. Together, it adds up to a little under $16,000. This money will be paid back to you. The state has a certain method of paying it back, and the federal has another method. The federal is very simple. When you file your next year's tax return, the year after you adopted, you will get back the full amount that you're entitled to, which would be up to $13,170. And likewise, the state would pay back out of the taxes that you paid up to a little over the $2,600. There are some limits as far as your income is concerned, and most Arkansas families fall within the limits. Quite frankly, right now, I believe it's about $180,000. If your income is under $180,000, that you would be entitled to the credit. It is slightly over $200,000 combined income, it disappears. But this is a wonderful tool for reducing the cost, offsetting the cost of adoptions. And so whenever we price an adoption, we don't factor in the savings or the refund that you'll get from the adoption tax credit. Now, on that score, one of the problems or one of the situations that I'm concerned about is that this tax credit will expire at the end of December 2012, and there's no assurances that it's going to be renewed or extended. And so if you're thinking about adopting, this should weigh heavily on your mind, because on one hand, if you think you're going to save money to have the money for an adoption, and can you save $12,000 or $13,000 in 1 year? It may be better for you to move quickly and take advantage of the adoption tax credit rather than wait, because you might save yourself $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 and then find out that you've lost the adoption tax credit. Now, for those people that live out of state, some states have adoption tax credits on the state level. Some states don't. Basically, the states that have state income taxes tend to have adoption tax credits. States that do not have state income taxes do not have the adoption tax credits. And so if you need any more information about this, you're welcome to give me a call, or you can talk to your accountant, or you can go online and get some additional information. But many people who call me initially to talk about adoptions are not familiar with the nature and extent of the adoption tax credits available. Hopefully this will enlighten you a little bit and encourage you to check into it further. Thanks.